Dear trading community, welcome to a new video. As you can see, today it's about a trading indicator that really stands out. It can be used in any time frame, whether 1 minute, 3 minutes, 15 minutes, or 4 hours. I'll show you a few examples. This one is trend-based. Trend-based with even a filter, this means that possible counter signals that are not valid are also filtered out. Additionally, as you can see, there are tick profit signals and possible re-entries into a trend. So during a trend, as it happened here, for example, it indicates that we can go short again here, and it gives another take profit signal. The thing is, we don't just stick to these take profit signals. No, I will show you how to trade these signals truly validly. How does that work? We simply add another indicator, which is also free. This one is also free, at least for my trading community that supports me. I will show you later how you can access it. Exactly. I would say, before I talk too much and make the tutorial too long, I will just go ahead, enlarge my screen monitoring, and we will go through different time frames and also look at all the, you can already see in this area how valid these signals are overall, what comes in here. And there are a few things to consider, and I want to go through that with you now. I'll just stick with Fartcoin on the 15-minute chart for the explanation, because it's a super valid coin. I say valid in this case because it has high price movements. When it makes a move, there are usually a lot of percentages involved. That's why I really like to use it for scalping on 1 minute or 3 minute charts, because I can just get in, take a few percentages, and get out again. And with these price movements that Fartcoin makes, I can do that very, very often. Long and shorten, and so on. Make a few trades. And then it's done. And I've pocketed my profits. One should never get too greedy. If you've taken a few percentages a few times, I would also end the day. But let's stay with the indicators now. We'll take a look at a 1 minute chart and we'll go through other coins. How does it work? Valid signals. And it's designed to be as simple as possible with these indicators. I paid attention to that. So valid signals are only present when this drain drench filter here is blue. When the candles are blue, when the signal is blue, and when the MA, the chosen one, in this case, it's the SMA, is also blue. And now we have everything in blue, and we know we have the opportunity to go long and take these profits. We might not always wait for these take profits or take them immediately. I'll show you why in a moment. We will add another indicator to incorporate the price action. Why is it so important? Price action is simply everything in trading, and we will visualize this, and this will also be helpful for many signals or some signals to be an additional help. So that one doesn't enter these, or when we look at where we can set our take profit zones, this will be very, very exciting. But otherwise it's simple, like this. There are the buy plus and sell plus signals and the normal buy signals. And it's just like that. I don't need to say everything pink is bearish, everything blue is bullish, so it's designed to be super simple. If we now look at the settings, there are the trend plus signals, and there are the trend and take profit, which are also included for the re-entry. You can also a little bit, well, these default settings are almost perfect. I would almost say there isn't much to edit here. In this case, the lower you go, the more signals you get. That's also mentioned here. But you can also, for example, just enter 100 for the period here, and then not much changes. But you can see here, where could I, for example, exit again in such a trend when it reverses and then close my position. So it's a little bit of tinkering, but you will see with 10, 3, and as it is set up, we will now simply go through a few time frames with different coins, and you will see the validity of these settings. It was also important to me that there is fundamentally something in it that should be considered. Exactly, these re-entry signals, they are also included. Do I have a valid signal here now? Like for example, a buy signal here, another buy signal, and I have already entered here, taking a first take profit up here. Fartcoin is actually incredible when I look at this. Is that 13%? So here I don't know, with the 15-minute chart I would do 10x, I don't know. But in scalping I definitely do 10x. But if I take a take profit here, 50% or 100%, because that's really a lot of percentages, I have the opportunity to get a signal here. I can scale my position, which might still be open, and take further take profits. Or if I should have closed everything, I can try to reopen here. But, and this is very important, only if this happens in a bullish trend, there will be other rebuy or resell signals. We can see if we can find another one where it is not valid because we are in a bullish trend here. I unfortunately don't see that currently, but I think you know what I mean. Exactly. Here's an example. We have a buy and then we have a sell signal, which would be more valid in principle. Even if it would be wrong, I wouldn't enter the rebuy here. Even if it would have been good, But then I get my confirmed entry signals here and can continue to rise. Do we often have a situation like this here? For example, that we have a buy signal here and we don't get a take profit. What should I do now, or how do you proceed here with this? I know, where can I perhaps set my take profit? It is important that we include a price action indicator. I will now show you one that I personally use, which has truly proven to be the best for me. Smart Money Price Action Indicator. And if you enter Big Beluga price in the indicators, then the price action smart money concept from Big Beluga comes up. And if I activate it now, then I see a few more pieces of information here. I want to show you now, for me, I see, for example, that this buy signal would be, in this case, simply the area where I say we are in a trend reversal downward. And as long as we don't go above this, it wouldn't be confirmed for me that we are going long. But I just said Fartcoin makes incredibly cool moves. And if I take this into account now and briefly enter a long position, then here is the signal. And in this case, it would be here for me, my profit. Why? Because we had volume here before we broke downwards. And purely from a price action technical perspective, the probability is very high that we will pick up exactly this volume again before it continues downwards. That means if you draw this here, it's roughly 4%. That's where I would draw in my take profit. We can take a look, if I now go into replay mode, and with the signal behind you, whether it shows us something, yes, it shows us exactly here. These fair value gaps at the value gaps, yes, it was actually the break downwards. There are some fair value gaps that are better, but those are my price zones where I would also trade to, and we'll take a closer look at that later. Why these fair value gaps and these order blocks can be considered as take profit zones. That's exactly what I would say. Let's leave it at that. We'll just continue and take a look at everything. In 1 minute, we'll just proceed with the same settings, everything one-to-one effective. I'll quickly switch to a 1 minute chart, and then you can see here, these signals, yes, that are generated here. Also take a look at the Fartcoin, as you can see how valid this is in other time frames. And especially in scalping, in my opinion, it makes a lot of sense to enter with many small positions. To take profit, you can see here already, today is Sunday. Today, there's actually not much going on, but overall, it has provided wonderful signals here. We are talking about a 1 minute chart. You see, the take profit appears more often and then disappears again. But that's only if the candle makes a reversal, then this signal would be valid. However, it can also happen that this candle goes back and continues to rise. But we now have a valid buy signal here. What would happen at the first take profit if it were to occur? In this area, you see it's already 1% with the 10x leverage. That's 10% that one has taken in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes. And he would, in my opinion, continue to rise and not say anything. Will he take this take profit? Now, what if I incorporate the smart money concepts? And this is something I want to show you. This would be my price target. Exactly this order block here can, of course, go above it. But that will be so valid. And you will see that when you do it yourself, that you say, okay, I now have my long position here. And I want to take profit because this order block here is where I want to take profit. It would have already been collected at 1.33%, currently 13.3%. Wonderful. Without waiting for a take profit signal or anything similar, and we will go through a few examples now, perhaps also with another cross, how I proceed with other crosses, how I search and find them. I do this via CoinMarketCap. I have shown this regularly, but you can see here, we had several opportunities here. Here, if we only consider the take profit, I am still using the big blue from Smart Money, but in a long position. Let's just quickly go through this. Here, a valid signal, first take profit, you could have taken 10%. Second take profit, took 10%. Here, what would that have been? That's 7%, 7, 8%. Yes, almost taken again. Also here, sell signal, valid. And we're only talking about today. While here, the signal would have come in 6.4%. Re-entry, I think I wouldn't have gone in here because we were too high up, I must honestly say. That means that would have been it there. This signal would have been valid. Why? We will also see that's why it indicates it, because everything here was blue, although this area became bearish afterwards briefly, but of course a better close above would have been fine. One would have taken the risk, just a short 6% down. And then there is no take profit signal here now. Now we can look, we have the high here again before. Let's see what the Big Beluga says, whether it would have given us information if we go back here now. And now I'm going into this signal. Whether we have any order blocks here, I suspect there might be one here, and that's what I was just about to say. these fair value gaps, but in this case, it's the order block. And that's what I meant earlier. When a signal comes order block, it takes a bit for the indicator to load here and there. With a signal, the next order block or the next fair value gap can be chosen if it is truly valid. So to really take a take profit target here. And if you continue here now, you saw where it went. It went down again and picked up this order block up here. After there was also the break of structure here, this change of character. It was extremely solid, again. We are just talking about a 1 minute chart now. I don't need to say much. Look at what happened here today. Also here, for example, that was wonderful. Short, nothing taken yet. Then it indicated a take profit here, and then it said, hey, you can scale the position further down. So you can certainly rely on the take profit signals, but I wouldn't do it 100%. I really wouldn't do that. Rather incorporate price action like the big beluga, because we see an order block here, which can show us where it might lead. What is also very, very interesting, and I'll show you now, the volume profile. In this case here, for example, you can see that this buy signal came with the largest volume area, and the buy signal came over the point of control. That means it's wonderful that I can see here that as soon as I get above this, I at least enter this large volume area. We will now do all of this regularly live on YouTube so that we can trade live. And I'll explain it again because I don't want to keep the video too long. But just so you can see how it works. Now to conclude, let's look at a few more other timeframes or coins. In this case, Fartcoin has done a little something again. That means it has a sell. Signal did not reach this change of character, took profit here, would be break even to minimal profit. And this position here, this new buy would be for me to pick up this order block here. And that's how I always proceed. Let's also look at Solana as a small example. For Solana, I am now on the 3-minute chart. You can see here that not every signal was completely valid. It didn't pick up the order block. That's part of it. I have to honestly say how it is. But as I said before, a signal like this one here, for example, would be for me here. The order block would simply be my take profit zone. We would have to do the sell in variable motors. The buy here was not valid. So it was valid, but it wasn't picked up. However, the new sell signal that came here, take a look. This order block was picked up here. That's how you can proceed here. Now let's look at the 4-hour chart. We can also take a closer look at the 3-minute chart. Sorry, just to see. By the way, I wouldn't trade on Saturday, but on a Friday during the week, I don't need to say much as I scroll through here. How many truly valid signals are included here that are actually extremely good. Let's also look at the 4-hour chart for Solana. So you can see these are all the same settings we have. I'll do it briefly now. Turning off smart money concepts again. Again here by signal. That was valid, but it's very far down. The sell signal was not valid. Why not? The reason is that everything here was actually blue. The sell signal was not okay, but the next buy signal was very good. Sell signal very good, buy signal very good. It didn't pick that up because of the filter. But otherwise, we can look at other examples. For example, we can look at this one. This buy signal was not yet valid. That was a valid buy signal. You can say what you want, whether you would take it or not, yes and no. And here, for example, smart money concepts come into play again, because I can see from the chart that we have an area here where the chart is very likely showing either an order block, fair value, gap, or something similar, where we can say, okay, I can at least enter a trade up to this point. I will now quickly turn on the replay mode, go to this buy signal. Even if it wasn't valid, it doesn't matter. But you can see here, we have this fair value gap. And if I proceed further, it wasn't a valid signal yet. Why not? This line was still pink. But we saw that the second signal appeared. That was right here. And for me, my take profit signal would simply be right here within it. In this first part, I'm not risking that much. The first part of the fair value gap. And I believe that was what it picked up. Exactly, it dipped in briefly and then went back down. We saw that earlier. And that's why I say it's so important to incorporate smart money and not trade blindly based on the signals. If you do, if you get involved, make sure to look at where your short-term take profit target could be to realize profits and minimize losses. What everyone wants to know now, of course, is how to get the indicator. Yes, that's specifically for the community. I have a link in the video description for Avalon Trading. You can access it. It's free. It's really just for the community. Those who support me, they say, hey man, and I have here, is the tutorial coming now, the current one? No, I just have here an account under one of your exchanges. You can do that, then enter it into the form and you will get the indicator unlocked. Many already have it. They can go straight to the indicator. The others can register at xt.com or Bitget, and then you have the opportunity to get immediate access to the indicator. It is regularly updated in the background. You then enter your Bitget or xt.com and your TradingView user. And this is done at least every 24 hours, but it is done much more often. In the background, I have ensured that the indicator is activated. Exactly. Otherwise, like the video, share the video. Sorry for the long tutorial. I wanted you to really understand how it works. And it is super simple to apply. Until next time, bye.